found some things. So let's start with the Lego where Cayden is. Way over by the air. No, let's start right here. So Cayden's motorcycles are there. Cayden and his friends. This is Cayden, this is his friends. This is the lamp that used to be over here. I put over here. Which one? The wall fell down. Well, can it fall? No. That goes like that. This thing right here is made where I built a homemade home build like that. That goes there, the motorcycle supposed to be like that. And then you see that I put the satellite that was right there, over here. And I put the radar that was over here on Cayden's house. Cayden actually did not have a TV yet, but he does have a satellite. Right now, let's look at Cayden's vehicle. He changed that. I put that and that on his vehicle. Now this thing was a Lego set. It just did not come with those two or those two. It came with the Batmobile. It's called the Batmobile. So if you go on the inside, where you should have these little vents is right there. And there, right there, and there. So let's shut it. Right now, Cayden's driving it. That's my version of Lego Cayden. So right now, he's going to they got the street worked on. Look, this is the new food truck and its trailer. There's all of the stuff on here used to be over there. This thing right here, it had been like that. But all you have to do is get this addition. Take that off and put that on there. But you cannot find this at the store or this, but this hamburger place you can, just not on wheels, on a little gun. It's going. So if you look on the inside right here, there's the paste scanner. If you look in there, there's this jewel, which powers everything up. It goes in there. It goes like that. You put your money in there. So that goes back like that. So right now it had been parked right here. This and the far off. All these pieces you can find at the store, just not these things. The reason why there's a stoplight on the back is because of whenever big vehicles like this has big building trailers on it, they always make sure that they do it right. So let's come over here. I have all this stuff right here. This is what this looks like. That the little junkyard pile where they still use the stoplight that we have had up. So I am working on this. So do this like this. It does not matter which one. This is very cool. It's my own stoplight. This is the thing that says go and stop to people. It's right there, some trash can. So, and this is a fishy's place. It's not open yet. They don't have the grand opening. The dogs keep trying to go away, try and go full speed. So, one time this even happened. And the engine broke off. So that goes like that. And this goes right here. So that goes there. This goes here on this speedboat. And he tries and goes. And look what they did one time. Ooh. Yay! Unhook. That should do it. Uh-oh, I accidentally pushed off full speed and it's stuck. How do you stop this thing? And then it ran right here and stopped. So that's how that goes. And then this goes right here. I got that big piece that I told you on that one video I did it. You might think I've been missing some videos, more than 2, is because I've just not gotten it up yet. So, bye.